In this video, let's see how to create an import task to import your operational technology, or OT, devices. In the industrial workspace, select the list icon. Under the OT, XLSGC Import Task module, select one of the available lists. In the list you selected, click New. On the form, fill in the fields as needed. After filling out the form, select Save. Refresh the form to access the Excel template. In the Attachments panel, select the Actions icon next to the Excel template. Click Download to download the Excel template. Save the template locally on your computer. Fill in the template as needed with your OT device data. Back in the Attachments panel of the Import Task record, select the Actions icon next to the Excel template. And select Delete to delete the original template. In the Confirmation modal, select Delete. In the Attachments panel, click Select File. Choose the Excel template you filled out and saved locally. In the Upload a File modal, select Upload. Once your template is uploaded, select Import Attachment. When the import begins, the state changes to Pending Staging Import. Once complete, the state changes to Staging Import Succeeded. Once the import is successful, select Save. Now, your imported OT devices are available in the Staging Records tab.